Bangaphezulu kwamakhulu amahlanu abantu abaphangalele ezingozini zomgwaqo selokhu kuqale uZibandlela, kanti abahamba ngezinyawo bangaphezulu kwamakhulu 250.
Let's not drink and drive. Let us not drink and walk. And I think it is important that we have an honest discussion as the country about the high levels of alcohol usage.
Uhlengwa ukhuze bonke abashayeli abagwazela amaphoyisa.
Can we not also be contributors to road corruption with the cold drink phenomenon, with the bribery phenomenon, because it is counterproductive. You're not helping the traffic law enforcement officers, you're not helping yourself as well. If you have done wrong, face the consequences.
Kusenjalo, ukhomishana wesikhungo esilawula ukusebenza kwemingcele yakuleli iBorder Management Authority uthi bakulungele ukwemukela abantu abaningi emngceleni iLebombo njengoba kuyimpela sonto eyandulela isonto likaKhisimusi.
So we are very much, I would say, very much prepared to be able to handle the traffic that will be coming in. So up to this point, for example, we can just indicate that overnight we've been able to process even about 1,000 trucks in terms of clearing some of the bedlogs that were on the N4, as it were.
Ngokusho kwesikhungo esilawula ukusebenza kwemingcele, silokhu sinyuka isibalo sabantu abasuka eMozambique beze kuleli bezothenga ukudla.